I've been using this Lavender essential oil for a bit now, and it is honestly one of those simple things that just fits into everyday life. This scent is clean, natural, not ever boring, more soft and flowing than sharp. I usually add the from drops to diffuser in the evening or put it on the cotton pad near my bed, and the whole room starts to feel calmer and more balanced. It also works great for candles DIY project or just freshening up a space without anything artificial. The dropper makes it easy to control so you don't overdo it. It's simple, consistent every time, not different bottle to bottle, which I really appreciate. Overall, it's one of those small upgrades that quality improves the atmosphere at home. Oh, and by the way, this one was actually gifted to me.